Hi everyone, I'm Benny for Recycling Me. I hope everyone doing good. Today is May 2nd, 2020. Uh, I'm glad to meet you with another market update to Recycling Me scrap report. Today I'm going to share with you about how steel contributes towards the India's economic growth. The reason why I'm talking about this topic is I believe countries might increase its infrastructure investment in a bid to shore up their sagging economy. Let me go into the topic now. Steel has contributed immensely towards the growth of Indian economy. India now ranked as the world second largest producer of crude steel after China. India is also slated to surpass USA to become the second largest consumer of steel in 2019. Indian government has also taken various steps to boost the steel sector by introducing National Steel Policy (NSP) 2017, allowing 100% foreign direct investment into the steel sector under automatic route, as well as steel scrap recycling policy aimed to reduce the import as well as steel import monitoring system, etc. India's economic growth is highly contingent on the growth of steel sector. The steel sector contributes nearly 2% of country's GDP. As well as steel is crucial in India's ascent to 5 trillion economy. So I believe the government will come up with further financial incentives to and boosting demand and helping front-end delayed project once the lockdown is lifted. I hope strategic sector will be a boon for boon for steel industry. However, on the other hand, based on the present scenario, the Indian Steel Association has estimated that the steel demand will decline around 8% to 94 million metric ton this year against 101 million metric ton last year. However, before the outbreak, the same association had estimated there would be an around 7% hike in steel demand, growth in steel demand. I have discussed with you in my previous videos also. But right now they had estimated steel demand to decline 8%. However, infrastructure, real estate, and automotive sector, railways, are the accounts for major chunk of steel use. However, this sector's operation was grinded to halt now. I hope it will take 5 to 7 months to come back to normal play. And this 2020 will be a challenging year for steel industry. The tight scrap availability might hike up the prices up, as well as bidding offers remaining low amid the shortage of scrap, contributing the prices in rise. However, Bangladesh and Pakistan are highly interested in bulk purchase, but Indian buyers are not that much interested in bulk purchase. They are interested to work on containerized export, containerized import, because unless the bulk purchase price is very cheap. Moreover, we need a substantial amount of around 10 to 15 million metric ton of scrap every year to a South Asian region. We need a 10 to 15 million ton of scrap per year. Also, countries are adding up steel capacity in the coming years. So the exporters and importers have to plan accordingly, and as well as bulk buyers will not be affected as much because the bulk vessels dispatch and discharging is not a big issue. But containerized import will face the impact of this pandemic. There are lakhs and lakhs of containers or getting stuck due to various downstream. Also, MRI is working very hard with the Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Shipping and Ministry of Commerce to provide some relief to us. According to the MRI's recent report, more than 2.5 lakhs of containers have got struck for clearance at the Indian port on the account of this complete lockdown. Regarding scrap prices, currently prices are holding very firm because of the shortage of this our scrap available in the market. Demand supply imbalance is likely to continue throughout 2020. I hope this hard time will definitely pass and we will come back even more stronger than this. And for the recent updates, you can visit our website recyclingme.com, and you can find updated scrap prices in our scrap resource section. As well as you can also mail us and contact us or send us your feedback or command us here. We will help you in getting business leads for scrap, aluminium and copper, plastics. You can mail me as well to at benny@recyclingme.com. I will get back. I'll catch you with another report in a few days. Thank you. Thanks for